Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you Philips 4404 tape recorder, reel to reel. This was produced by Philips from 1969 to 1973 and their factory in Vienna in Austria. So it was not made in Holland or Belgium. Philips have also factories in Austria also. So this was produced in Austria. So this is a 4-track head system. So on this tape you can record 4 inputs separately, and then you can play together also. And here we have a meter. In the start it shows only the power, and then afterwards this work as a VU. So now it's tell the power is good. This is a counter, manual one. We have a volume, balance, tone and record input, and we have a stop, play, reverse, and this forward, and this is the pause and record button. And here you can choose all the track, 1 track, 2nd track, 3rd track, or all 4 of them together. So this is for that. This is for the speed, and let's see if this still works. This is the fast speed. So it has 2 speakers, stereo, one this side, one that side. Very nice wooden case. It's the balance. Now left one. Now you can hear the right one, and this is the tone, of course. And now both. This is the tone. It's full. Now you can see. Now here the head is only playing the 1 track, and there is nothing recording on that track.
Pardon, je n'ai pas très bien saisi.
And the
Je vous demandais votre impression.
second track, only the lady's voice is recorded. On 3rd one, you see it has some background music also. And now all 4 track together. I think this is only the music, you see. And now
Vous, Monsieur Pascal.
only
Bien
the
volontiers, merci.
audio.
J'ai un faible pour le poulet. Sur...
Voici le dessert.
And here the mix. It's only the music,
Je monte
just the audio.
une fois dans ma chambre, je me déchausse et je me déshabille, je passe mon pyjama et je me mets au lit. J'éteins la lumière et après quelques minutes, je m'endors. Le matin, sur le coup de 7 heures,
This cassette tape technology went ahead, and at its peak it had a 24-track recording before the CD emerged. So you can input 24 tracks. All the audio albums were recorded on the reel-to-reel tapes, and then they were making the small audio tapes. But this is the 4-track only.
une douche froide. Après m'être essuyé, je m'habille. Brosse à cheveux et un
So you can imagine how the mixing was done. I think pretty easy. 4 channels you process separately, and the music editor at the end mix background and the audio. And
dans les tiroirs de l'armoire est rangé tout mon linge. Mes chemises, mes faux-cols, mes mouchoirs, sans oublier mes chaussettes et mes cravates. Dans la conduite, mes le son.
You might notice that music is few decibel more than the actual audio of the gentleman or the lady. Here is better. This is for the recording, of course. So here you have on this speaker only the audio. Other speaker you have music. And you just make the balance.
D'ordinaire, nous restons à la maison. Une ou deux fois.
It's only music on left channel, and the left channel also the audio and the mix.
Je ne demande pas mieux, mais c'est aujourd'hui l'anniversaire. Et nous faisons une petite sortie. Merci beaucoup.
Very innovative approach. If we are thinking 1969, early 70s, so that was a switch from the gramophone to the tapes. What I noticed, this counter is not working anymore. I think the belt is already decomposed inside, or of course selector need cleaning, or it's so loose. And this one, the meter is happened to be is a voltage meter. I was wrong. It is not the VU meter, but I still need to find the operating manual to read it, because here it says the voltage down and the power consumption, and it should be VU, but it doesn't do anything. Next. It's the cover. It's quite heavy stuff. I think I think it's around 10 kilos. It's not very light. Oh, see, there is quite heavy. And just play the music. I will just hear the guy.
À la recherche de chambre.
He's telling something in French.
Bonjour, monsieur. Avez-vous une chambre à 2 lits avec salle de bain? Sinon, 2 chambres à 1 lit feraient aussi mon affaire.
Only music. And all this information is recorded on the tape in the 4 tracks. And doing a great job after so many years. By the way, Merry Christmas to all of you, and thank you for your support.
Voyons. Nom, prénom, profession, nationalité. Voilà. Adresse permanente, lieu et date de naissance.
This is a stereo.
Ça va-t-il comme cela?
Très bien, merci monsieur. Voici vos clés. Le chasseur va vous conduire et on va monter vos bagages tout de suite. Leçon 17. 17e leçon. Au restaurant. Dans toutes les grandes villes, on trouve un nombre étonnant de restaurants, cafés, brasseries et salons de thé. Tous les grands hôtels ont des salles à manger comme celles que nous avons ici sous les yeux. Mais en été...
I hope you like it. This blast from the past, from the Philips N4404 stereo 4-track tape recorder and player, reel to reel. Thank you very much for watching and for your support. I'll See you everyone with the next one. Bye bye.